For the past few decades, global warming has threatened the source of the Yellow River in the Qinghai Tibetan Plateau in northwest China. The Yellow River, also known as China's Mother River, has lost nearly a quarter of its water from the source region in the last 10 years. Higher average temperatures combined with diminishing rainfall have caused rivers and lakes to dry up.
现在的话，你看全部全是有这个全水了，全部干掉了。黄河也干了。这就原来办这个不是，原来我们小多在就他们的时候，他们等大的时候黄河大，人马骑上也他就过不上，现在就常常都在可以走路可以过上去。
The Tibetan Plateau, where the Yellow River has its source, is known as the roof of the world. But scientists say the region is becoming warmer and drier. Over the last 30 years, the overall temperature has risen 1 degree Celsius. Once, there were more than 4,000 lakes in Mado County. 3/4 of them have completely disappeared.
本来我们毛的是千湖之县，有上千个湖。像你们刚才从蒙古来的时候，那里一个路这边有个大大的一个湖泊，那是以前是在我们这里的最大的一个湖泊，就是现在已经枯。那么我们现在可以从现在的湖面在那个地方，然后我们可以从这个湖面向这边看呢，大概有这个30米的这个地方。那么这30米呢，我们看都是裸露的这个石头啊、沙砾啊，还有土。那么这边呢，30米这边就是草地了。那么据我们分析，就是说这30米就是这20几年升温以来的退缩的幅度。
The glaciers of Animachan Mountain feed water into the Yellow River. But between 1966 and 2000, most of the glaciers shrunk by about 17%. Scientists say the ice is now melting 10 times faster than in the previous 300 years. In the last quarter of a century, Halong Glacier has lost significant amounts of ice. Since 1966, the glacier has retreated about 400 meters. The thawing permafrost or frozen earth causes serious and dangerous damage to the structure of these highways.
我们现在处于海拔4300米高度，这个地方是属于冻土的地段。然后因为气候变暖引起的这个冻土退化、冻土融化，然后它直接撼动了这些房子的地基。 所以在外面呢，其实我们也能看到一些路面的路面塌陷，然后这些房子能看到墙上裂缝，所以现在这些房子都已经被遗弃了，没有人住在这里了。
When permafrost disintegrates, grass can no longer grow. It soon dries up and turns into a desert. The desert is rapidly overwhelming the grassland where Tibetan herdsmen traditionally raised cattle during the summer months. The water shortage and disappearing meadows have forced many Tibetans to abandon their traditional nomadic life. This family used to live comfortably by farming a large herd of cattle. But with their grazing land gone, they survive on government food handouts and live in a public housing scheme. The Yellow River stretches from the Tibetan Plateau to the northeast coast of China. It's an important water source for the 120 million people who live along the river. Global warming is having a dramatic impact on the lives of those living in the Yellow River source region. The warning signs are there. Soon, the lower reaches of the river will be affected as well.